Update: what to expect as we move forward, handling your record-breaking response. First, a sincere thank you to everyone who submitted your Victory with Ash priority placement application. The response has been nothing short of astounding. In fact, it has far exceeded every previous participation record, even beyond the remarkable results we saw in surveys 1 and 2. We are both excited and humbled by your enthusiasm. The sheer number of applications has been extraordinary, and reviewing them all with care and respect they deserve is no small task. Please know that our team is working tirelessly to evaluate each submission with fairness, attention, and integrity. Your patience during this process is deeply appreciated. We are blessed with an extraordinary number of truly outstanding candidates, and we want to ensure that every application receives thoughtful consideration. As soon as our initial selections are finalized, you will receive an email notification with your next steps. A few important clarifications. As we've emphasized before, Victory with Ash is not a rehash of anything from the past. This is a new beginning, a completely fresh start with a new structure, a new purpose, and a new way forward. Any previous organizational hierarchy or position will not apply here. Our priority is centered on responsibility, not entitlement. What's past is past. Our eyes and our efforts are focused on the future. Looking ahead, in the near future, we'll be sharing more about the custom training programs available exclusively with membership to Victory with Ash. These are not recycled motivational talks or generic online courses. They are high-quality, practical, skill-building programs designed by the experts to help you grow, develop your business abilities, and become the best possible version of yourself. Thank you again for your patience, your trust, and your continued faith in this shared vision. The journey is accelerating, and what is coming next will be worth the wait.